You know, you really shouldn't smoke, Miss Line. Sorry, I didn't mean to style you.
No, I'm fine, really. Just wasn't expecting you.
With the price on the plane, I wasn't sure it was the best time for us to talk.
Well, there's no press around now. Except for me, of course.
I know people are asking questions now that I'm back. I think it's only fair that I answer those people.
So, you're here for an interview? Okay then. Where'd I put that thing?
In right pocket.
Let's start with the big question. Where'd you go?
To Crafton.
But you told me it was destroyed ages ago.
It was. But when astronomers thought they found it, I had to see for myself.
Well, you're back. And everyone seems to be pretty happy about it.
Not everyone. I read the article, Lloyd.
So did a lot of people. Tomorrow night they give me the Pulitzer.
Why did you write it?
How could you leave us like that? I moved on. So did the rest of us. That's why I wrote it. The world doesn't need a savior. And neither do I.
Lois, will you come with me?
Why?
There's something I want to show you. Please.
I can't be gone long.
You want to be?
Clark said the reason you left without saying goodbye is because it was too unbearable for you. Personally, I think that's a load of crap.
Clark?
This is the guy I work with.
Maybe Clark is right.
You know my Richard. He's a pilot. He takes me up all the time.
Not like that.
I forgot how long you were.
Listen, what do you hear?
Nothing.
I hear everything. You wrote that the world doesn't need a savior. But every day I hear people crying for one. I'm sorry I left you, Lois. I'll take you back now.
Richard's a good man. And you've been gone a long time.
I know.
So will I see you around?
I'm always around. Good night, Lois.